Welcome to Health Metrics quick tutorial on how to use this system. Please note that this is a limited version of the complete Health Metrics system. There are many more fields and functionality with the complete Health Metrics system. Check our website for more information. In this tutorial, we will show you the basics of using Health Metrics. This includes how to sort columns and scroll through your data. We will also show you how to interact with the tool so you can easily change your views, drill down into more detail, and filter any of the fields as criteria. Finally, we will show you how to display your results by exporting to a spreadsheet or by printing your results. This will open your inpatient query results screen as shown. Right away you can see all hospitals in the state of Florida with the corresponding metrics. You can view any Florida hospital, corresponding discharge volumes, patient days and average length of stay, total and average charges. You can start to interact with the new query tool just by clicking on the columns. Notice that discharges are sorted in descending order. If you want the hospital volume sorted in ascending order, simply click on the column. Discharges are now sorted in ascending order. You can sort any column to get quick answers to your questions. For instance, what hospitals had the highest or lowest patient days? What hospitals had the lowest average length of stay? Click again and you can see what hospitals had the highest length of stay. You can easily navigate through your results sets by using the scroll bar located here. Place your mouse on the bar, hold down your left mouse key, while pulling down and you can start to scroll through the data. If you want to maintain the headings while you scroll through your data, simply use this scroll drop-down to select your display. Notice when you click here, you can select how many rows you can view at a time. We will click on 15 as shown. Notice you will see the scroll buttons appear. You can click these buttons to advance a page at a time while maintaining your headings. You can adjust the scroll bar anytime to your specific liking. One benefit of our free limited version is that you can access 3 years of information. Simply click on the year drop-down and select the year of data you wish to view. Click on 2010 data and your results set changes for that year. We can continue to select our desired years to analyze. When viewing any result sets or reports that contain hospitals, you will see a blue arrow as shown here. If you click on the blue arrow, you will be taken to the Florida Health Finder Hospital Profile page. Here you will find more information about the specific hospital you selected. You can scroll down through the page to find out more detailed information. The Analyze by drop-down corresponds with what is showing in your result area. Notice that hospital is showing in our drop-down and that is what is showing in the results set. You can easily change what you are viewing. Just click on the Analyze by drop-down and make your selection. We will click on Option to view the counties where hospitals are located. Our report changes to show counties where hospitals are located and their corresponding metrics. Let's change our report to show what services patients utilize in Florida. Click on the Analyze by drop-down and choose MSDRG. Notice our report changes to show services hospital patients utilize in Florida. Notice that when we use the Analyze by drop-down, the criteria you define never changes. Let's change our report one more time to show Florida healthcare payer mix. Now we can see the percentages of patients using Medicare or any of the other provider groups showing. Once again, the Analyze by interactive drop-down will let us change our report views without changing any criteria. The Then By button is all about drilling down into the data that shows in the results set. Notice that when you click on the drop-down, you see the same data fields. When you select one of these fields, the system knows that you want to drill down and see that data from the current result set. Notice patient, principal payer is shown in our Then By drop-down. Now we can move our cursor and hover over any hospital. Notice the hospital name turns red, which indicates you can click on it. When we click on the hospital, the system drills down and shows that hospital's payer mix. Notice that Florida Hospital is automatically put into the criteria section, so you know you are looking at the payer mix from Florida Hospital for 2012. Let's drill down into the gender ratios in Medicare. Notice that patient gender is already shown in our Then By drop-down. All we have to do is click on Medicare and instantly drill into the gender report. Notice the system added Medicare to our criteria. So now we are looking at the gender ratios for Medicare from Florida Hospital for calendar year 2012. Keep in mind the system allows you unlimited drill downs. You can add any criteria by using the Filters button. In this example, we want to see all Medicare patients for hospitals in Broward County. To do this, click on the Filters button. Notice an Edit Filters dialog box appears listing all the fields. Simply click on the magnifying glass next to the hospital, county field. Here you can type in a few letters in the search text box. We will type in BR and click the search button. Notice all the counties with BR in their description appear. Move your mouse and highlight Broward County. Now click on the single arrow button to move Broward County to the selected box. Click the Done button so the system saves your criteria. Notice the system takes us back to the Edit Filters dialog box where we can enter more criteria. In addition, we want to filter on Medicare patients. Click on the magnifying glass next to Patient, Principal Payer. From here, highlight Medicare and move it over to the selected box so it becomes our criteria. Click on the Done button to select this criteria. Notice we have our criteria selected for Hospital, County, and Principal Payer. Click the Done button from the Edit Filters dialog box. Your report shows all hospitals utilizing Medicare patients. For Broward County hospitals, for calendar year 2012, with the filter option, you can create just about any criteria for your reports. You can export any of your reports to an Excel spreadsheet by clicking on this icon. When clicked, you will see a Save As dialog box where you can save the file to your desired folder. You can name your file and click the Save button. You can now open the file in spreadsheet format. Notice your spreadsheet file contains all your criteria so you know exactly what you are viewing. You can print any of your reports by clicking on the print icon. When clicked, the print button will produce your results set in print format that looks like this. Notice that the report will show all the criteria you selected in the report header as shown here. Please remember that you are using a limited version of Health Metrics. If you like what you see and need more reporting benefits, please contact us. We hope this video will help you get started using Health Metrics to generate your reports. Thank you for viewing our tutorial and have a nice day.